Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I drop a new video. Stay active and let's make money online together. Today, we will be discussing about how to use Fiverr as a complete beginner. How to use Fiverr as a complete beginner. Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can use Fiverr as a complete beginner in 2024. Now Fiverr is a website or a platform where people come over to find work or to get paid for their services that they offer on this website. Now there's a big misconception about this website is that people think that you can get anything done in just $5. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. And the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to Fiverr.com, and over here all you have to do is click on Join. At the top right here, still click on Join Now. You can enter in your email, or you can sign up by using Google or Apple or Facebook. That process makes it a lot easier because you don't have to enter in all your details manually. But for the sake of this video, I'm just simply going to sign in using the email. So once you've signed up on this website and you've finished up all your verifications, this is how the website will look like now, as you can see in front of you. We have a lot of things going on here, so I'm going to explain it to you in detail. So at the top right here, we have your search bar. And we have a couple of categories that are most popular on Fiverr. So we've got graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translations, video and animation, music, and many, many more. And at the top right here, we also have Explorer messages, lists, orders, and we have the option to switch to seller or switch to a buyer. I'm currently in buyer mode, so that means that I have to buy services. So let me just show you how you basically can buy a service on Fiverr. So to search a particular service, all you have to do click on this search box right here, which says Find Services. And in that box, all you have to do is search for a type of service that you are looking for. And it can be anything. So for the sake of this video, I'm just simply going to search for voiceovers now. When I search for voiceovers, as you can see, we have a lot of different results. And we also have some options to select language, a certain language. So we have English voice. So we have English languages, German, French, Italian, and Spanish. And at the bottom right here, we have some filters that we can use to adjust our searches. And we also have these options right here, such as pro services, subscription services, and online sellers. These are basically for those that want the most high and most professional quality voiceovers that you can get on Fiverr. But we're not going to do that because for the everyday man, you don't really need that. So let's just stick to the basics over here. And at the bottom right here, we can see we have a lot of different options. So we have this person right here just starting at $35. And she also has 5-star reviews with over 1,000 reviews, which I think is very awesome. And we also have this person right here, which is starting at $20 and has a 5-star rating with over 260 reviews. So let's just select this person right here. And another thing that I have to point out to you guys is that if you want to see that this person provides a top-notch service, all you can do is search for this tag right here, which says top-rated seller. Now these both have top-rated seller tag. As you can see, these two have level 2 sellers and level 2 sellers. So let's just go ahead and select this person right here. And as you can see this, she is an American female voiceovers, the best on Fiverr. So as we can see down below, these are some of the reviews that people have given out to her. So this person right here says that she was really great to work with as a first person, not Fiverr experienced. She nailed the voiceover, and she was very helpful, which means that she is an honest worker and has a top-notch services as well. And she also offers this demo over here, so you can listen to the demo if you want. She has a couple of different demos, so whichever person you choose will also have this sort of layout as well. So over here on the right side, as you can see the voiceover, she'll be doing it for $20. And she will be providing one revision, which basically means that if there's something wrong with the voiceovers, she will then remake the voiceover or fix that problem just once. So you have to be careful about that and see how many revisions that you can get. And as she says that she can provide the voiceover in just 2 days now, at the bottom right here, we have choose our plans so we can order once or have a subscription of 3 months, saving 10% every month from your second order. Basically means is that we can either pay $20 for once or keep paying for $20 and add by 4th for every month and get 10% off on the second order, whichever once you choose. But if you're looking for just a one-time gig, I would recommend just ordering once. But if you want to continue on working professionally, then I would suggest you take the subscription as well. And at the bottom right here, the seller will have a sort of description about her. So I would also recommend you read these because it helps you a lot to know a little bit better about the seller. So once you have your desired person to work with, all you have to do is just select whichever plan you want, and then just simply click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, you will have all these options in front of you. So you can add a number of words. So basically, if you have a script that you want to get done a voiceover on, you can enter in the amount of words that they are. And it can be any number that the script can. So make sure you know how many words that there are so that you don't get underpaid or get overpaid. So let's just enter in 1,200 words. So for 1,200 words, a script you will have to pay $220. And at the bottom right here, you have some extras as well. Extra add-ons basically. So if you want commercial rights, you will have to pay $40 extra if you want additional revisions plus 2 days. You can also add $20 and script for reading. So if you want the seller to approve or read your script for grammatical errors, you will charge you an extra $10 and $20. Now this person is charging a lot, but we're just for the sake of this video. We're just showing you how it basically means to buy a service from Fiverr. So you can choose whichever extra you want, or none at all. It doesn't really matter, and once you've done it, all you have to do is click on Check Out Now at the above right. Here you can see that the subtotal is $240, with a service fee of $13.2, and the total is $253, and the delivery time will be in 9 days. So all you have to do is simply click on Continue to check out, and then you will have to wait for the seller to contact you, and you can give her all the details that you want. And that is basically it. And that's how it feels to become a buyer on Fiverr. Next, let me show you how you can become a seller. So go back to their main homepage and over here at the top. As I said before, you will have this option right here, which is Continue to Selling, which basically means that you will be offering skills to other people. So click on Switch to Selling now. Once you switch to selling mode, you will have to create a wonderful profile. You will have to get some skins to stand out on the amount of competition that Fiverr has. So once you switch to seller mode, you will see all these options in front of you. Now, how do you get gigs on Fiverr Worlds? So basically at the top right here, you will have a few different options. You have dashboard messages, orders and gigs, analytics, earnings, community, and more. So come over to gigs and click on gigs. Once you're over here, all you have to do is click on Create a New Gig Now. Once you click on Create a New Gig, all you have to do is enter in all these different details. So over here on gig title, you will have to enter in something that you are really good at. Now I've written, I will edit different videos for you such as podcasts and basic blogs. Now as you can see, I've entered this title, but it's too long. So I have to enter in a shorter title, so that it looks good. Now as you can see, I've entered in the gig title and I'm very good at video editing. So I just simply entered in that I will be editing videos for you such as podcasts and other videos. So next, all they want to do is select a category. Now this is in the video editing category. So select this category and as you can see, it's already suggested the categories for us. And all we have to do is simply choose that category now in the middle. Right here we have gig metadata. So all you have to do is select the primary type of videos you added. So it can be anything, it can be ads. It can be family or travel videos, or explain their videos, corporate videos, music videos, or VR, and 360 videos. Anything. Basically anything that you want. So I mostly edit videos such as for social medias and explainer videos such as this, including this video right here, and I also added corporate videos as well. So basically just select whichever one you want. Let's just select for ads and social media, and then just simply search for tags and tags. Really help guys. So don't skip on tags like entering any tags that you want that are related to video editing, and you can all. So you have to put in at max 5 tags. Okay, use letters and numbers only. So make sure you enter in tags, and then all you have to do. Continue, and we have changes saved. Next we have pricings. At pricings, all you have to do is, and to make some different packages. Now at the basic package, you can write whichever basic package you want, then the standard, then the premium, and hence give people more options as well. So for basic, we'll just enter in basic details, basic editings. For standard, we'll put a little bit more effort, such as adding in more stock videos and stock footages or images. And for premium, do everything we can. We'll put motion graphics. We'll put animations. We'll put stock videos. We'll put everything. Then for the delivery time, you can just change the delivery time. So for basic video editing, I would say that 1 day is enough. For standards, I'd say 2 days are enough. For premium, I'd say 4 days are enough. So footage provided by buys you can. For basics, let's just select 15. And for premium, let's just select 10 because it takes a lot of time for a premium video. So in basic package, you could choose whichever categories you want to add. So I would say that for basics, let's just add in. We're not going to be doing any of these. We're not going to be adding color grading or sound design and mixing or motion graphics. Not for basics, we'll probably do that for the premium or the standard. So for the basic revisions, let's just offer tour revisions for standards tour revisions as well. For premium, let's go 4, and we'll color grade the standard videos, but nothing more. For premium, we'll just do all of these. Subtitles might take a little bit of time, but that's why we entered in 4-day delivery time. So next at the bottom, you can also add extra. So for basics, let's just enter in a price of $5. And for premium and for standards, let's add 15. And for the premium, let's add 30 Oka now. At the bottom right here, you can also add extra fast delivery time. So for basic, you can deliver it in 1 day. For extra, let's say $2 because the basic video doesn't require any editing. So for standards, you will also do it in 1 day for another $5. And for the premium, you'll do it in 2 for an additional $30. Now you can also add in color grading and extra things such as these for whichever how many dollars you want. And you can also add in an extra GI as a bonus. And then all you have to do is simply save and continue. And then you will have to add in different descriptions and questions. Then you'll have to add different requirements. Then you have to add in for the gallery, and then for the final step, you can publish your gig. So let me just fill out all these different forms that are required for me to do. And then I will catch you guys in step number 3. So now that if I've entered in all the details, let's just simply click on Save and Continue. And wait for it to load, and over here, all you have to do is enter in a brief description about your gig. So you're basically doing video editing and almost all sorts of video editing. So just add whichever description that you think that is most suitable for your gig, and that is describing your gift. Gig perfectly, and you can also add in FAQ questions. And then just simply click on Save and Continue. So now we're at step number 4, which is requirements you can add in new questions. So basically, you have to add in at least one. You have to add in basically at least one question. And then just simply click on Add, and then just simply click on Save and Continue. Then add the gallery. All you have to do is showcase some of your previous works you can add in your video drag and drop your video drag in 3 images or a document. Then just check this box. Then just simply save and continue, and then you will have your gig published, and that is basically it. That is how you become a buyer and a seller on Fiverr, and you can earn money from Fiverr as well. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications, guys. And if you have any other questions related to this video, please let me know down in the comment section below, and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, goodbye. And thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed before, kindly get that done.